What's up, Northstar owners? JT here over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we got a pretty exciting giveaway for you guys. For anyone that has Polaris Northstar, obviously with the ride command and the reverse camera setup. It's a reverse camera light bracket relocation kit from Automotive Custom Lighting. This will allow you to relocate your camera so you can actually see where you're backing up instead of just down at the hitch area. With this bracket kit, your camera gets moved slightly forward in the bed a little bit, as well as drops it down about an inch. This will give you superior viewing as you back up, as well as added safety, so you know you're not going to hit anything on the trail or anywhere you are. Just an overall better angle of the camera in the rear. So this is again all brought to you by Automotive Custom Lighting, especially done here for everyone in the Northstar Ranger owners group. So we'll go ahead and get into the details, and good luck to everybody. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the actual giveaway. So as you know, we've partnered with Automotive Custom Lighting this month to go ahead and give you guys a chance to win this relocation kit for your camera on the Polaris Northstar. All you have to do is be subscribed to our channel, and as well as in the description below, and there'll be a link. You just fill out that form. That's all you need to do. It's completely free. So we will be verifying everyone's subscription and the form just to ensure it's fair to everybody. In addition, go ahead and share this with all of your friends that have Northstars. Share it on the Ranger pages that you belong to, anywhere you want. It is a public, obviously a public video, so anyone will be able to see it. But let's go ahead and spread the love to all the Northstar owners and give them a chance to win this awesome prize from Automotive Custom Lighting. And as well, check out all the other products that Automotive Custom Lighting offers. They have a wide range of different brackets and lighting kits and all sorts of stuff for the Polaris Rangers, as well as some other models, the General and on the market right now. So definitely share the video, subscribe to the channel, get your chance to win. So again, I just want to thank everyone for being a part of this awesome Facebook page that we built. Really great info in here, really awesome members. We do try to keep all the spam and the scammers out. I'm glad you guys keep tagging all the admins in the post. We get rid of them pretty much immediately. We have a great team working on the page and the group itself. So again, thank you guys very much. Good luck, and we'll catch you on the next video.